Oh, it's recording. That seems really close, doesn't it? Doesn't seem like really close to the ground. Because like usually if like a helicopter's flying in the air, you wouldn't be able to hear its noises. Unless they just like strapped a megaphone to it.
We were in the backyard, right? And I started hearing that stuff, and I thought, I better lock my garage and my front door
That's
in case it
why
gets
I
criminal.
came outside and I wanted to see what's going on. Then when I heard somebody's missing, I said, okay.
So what do you think's happening?
What happened was a little girl didn't
14
come
years
home. She didn't come home.
From school?
Like if you went down the street and you didn't come home, and then they'd have to do that for you. So always make sure you check in with your dad and come home.
Hey, Dad. I'm glad I got that on video.